quickly and you don't have a lot of time to take cover. Now, we do have a new tornado warning that I've been telling you about that includes Davenport, Iowa until 6:30. This is Doppler radar indicated tornado, but strong winds and large hail are expected with this storm. Our Mike Seidel is live in the Quad Cities right now. Mike, what are you seeing there? Are you in a safe place?
Yes, we are. We're just getting hit now with the line of heavy rain and gusty winds. The tornado warning storm has been off to our west. Nothing sighted, but based on Doppler radar, and just look at what's coming through right now. These winds are going to be gusting 50 to 60 miles an hour. Very heavy rain coming in. To feel the temperature dropping. It just came through here just right before Jack came through to us.
Mike, can you hear me? Okay, Mike,
so we see the visibility
we've got to keep Mike safe. We can see lightning behind him. He probably can't see it yet, but he may be able to hear it. So we want to keep everybody safe tonight, and we'll get back to Mike later when it's safer to do so. So we do have that tornado warning still in effect for the Quad Cities, Davenport, Moline, Rock Island, all included until 6:30. Again, Doppler radar indicated tornado. We've got some rotation somewhere within that area. Looks like it's on the east side of Davenport. More than likely, we're just looking at damaging winds as this is moving on through right along 280 right now, and that's going to be heading across the river and heading into the state of Illinois. Now, I've also been tracking a couple of other confirmed tornadoes. This one to the north now of Maquoketa, that's heading a little bit closer towards Otter Creek. That's going to stay on the east side of there, and I want to zoom in on this one because this has really caught my eye here right now near Charlotte. This is a tornado warning for Clinton and Jackson counties, including you in Charlotte, Goose Lake, and Preston. Yep, we've got an observed tag on that one as well. Very clearly a rotation right over you in Charlotte in the state of Iowa. You need to be in your safe place immediately. You want to get into the basement if you have one. Lowest level of your home, away from doors and windows. This looks very dangerous to me. I want to circle the area of rotation right there near Charlotte and then get on over towards our correlation coefficient, and my goodness, we have a very, very significant debris signature there on Doppler radar. So you're seeing this bright reflectivity here around Charlotte, and then notice everything around it is just red. So we know that what's happening in Charlotte right now is something other than debris. This is very dangerous right now in Charlotte. Everybody needs to be into their safe place immediately. I want to go back and I want to track this out here and show areas that could be affected by this down the line as the storm is moving just north of east right now. Preston, this would be arriving at 6:17, and then Van Buren, it would be arriving at 6:20. So a very dangerous tornado on the ground right now, right on top of Charlotte, Iowa. Want to go back out to the wider view right now and take a look at a few of these other storms because we still have some tornado warnings here. That's the one near Charlotte I was just telling you about. And then Dyersville, Iowa, right there where the Field of Dreams is. We've been keeping an eye on you right now. You had one storm right here that already moved on through that was showing some rotation, and now we've got another tornado warning with this line that's going to be coming through Dyersville very, very shortly. So we're seeing rotation on that one as well as the threat of some damaging winds. So we'll take you farther out now and take you into the state of Illinois because we've got an observed tornado here near the Springfield area. That includes you in Athens, Fancy Creek, and Williams, and we'll take you a little bit closer in, and that looks pretty suspicious to me right over there. Let's go ahead and go to velocity mode, and as I take a look at that, looks like there might even be a couple of areas of rotation and there and there and there. So Fancy Creek, get to your safe place immediately. This is kind of one of those examples of what I was talking about how this is becoming a little bit more linear. So we're seeing fewer individual storms that are out there all by ourselves, and these lines are now kind of taking over with areas of rotation within them. We know that the sun is working on going down. It's just after 6 o'clock here in eastern Iowa and into the state of Illinois, and these may be wrapped in rain, so you may not be able to see the tornadoes. It's interesting, just to tell you this story very quickly. My cousin has family. She's like, you're talking about my people right now. They don't see anything should they be worried? And the answer is yes, yes, yes. If you do not want to take that second step, you don't want to take that kind of time tonight to go and look and say, oh, is it going to hit my house? Trust the warnings. These storms are moving at 60 miles per hour. You don't have time to take the peak. Get to the safe place and make sure that you do that and you stay safe tonight. Want to take you to Chicago right now. We know that there's some big time delays at Chicago O'Hare. Ground delays are over 2 hours at least right now. Flights are going to be a problem here likely through the rest of the night because not only, even if they don't go over Chicago, it's all in the airspace surrounding it. So we're going to have delays that will likely linger into tomorrow. Chicago, you're not under a warning right now, but look at these storms over towards Aurora and over towards Des Plaines. That's a tornado possible tag. I would treat almost every single severe thunderstorm warning tonight like a tornado warning and get to your safe place. That's how highly sheared our environment is, that these storms can spin up very, very quickly. We're going to take a quick break and get right back to it on Storm Center.